Hello my lovelies, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. Oh, so glad. Hey guys, look, blue afro princess, blue afro Yvette Crocker chick over here, still on the floor. She might just become like a permanent resident on the floor, but it is what it is. I think I just need to get my act together and stop being afraid of the drill and figure out how to put her up on the wall instead of waiting, because it's been a minute. But anyway, enough about her. She's beautiful. Let's talk about this new Bandeau I picked up, which I have not opened yet. I took her out of the box and then I thought I was going to film this a couple of days ago, but life got in the way, and now, yes, finally, because I do want to wear her today, so I figured this would be the time. So yes, if you don't know who I am and you're wondering why you're watching this, my name is Neo. This is my channel here on YouTube, and I'm a Bandeau whore. I say that with no embarrassment. I love Bandeaus. I've been collecting them for years before it was cool. I've been collecting them, swapping them out, buying new ones, taking out the old ones, whatever you want to call it, and they are my jam. So yeah, this is the latest one in my collection. I will add my most recent additions up here, and also I've got some previous videos where I show my collection. I'll post those as well. What is this? I'm assuming, oh yeah, so this is my receipt, and of course I work with Tiffany Hill, client advisor over Bloomingdale's in San Francisco. Hi Tiffany, thank you so much. And I love that I got my Year of the Ox, Chinese New Year, Year of the Ox ribbon. Love that. So let's get into it. Oops, no. Before we get into it, if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. You guys rock. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. And I'm just excited. So yeah, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's just get to it because I'm way too excited to wait. Yes. Yes. Oh, I was able to open it this time. The last box I got, I couldn't pull it out. It's in tissue. It's in tissue. It's red. Look, okay, I just gotta show this, right? Little red heart my daughter chose. It's for me. I got Year of the Ox. Oh my God, it's stunning. Don't ask me why I'm so excited about Year of the Ox, because that's not my year. I looked it up. I'm a Year of the Snake girl. Oh God, it's beautiful. Look at this little girl here. Look at her. Can you see her? Yeah. She's such a cutie. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ah, hold on. Let me show her on the inside. She's so cute. She's adorable. Oh yes. All right, I always do this. It's gonna be a mess, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I can't see what I'm doing, so bear with me. Oh gosh, I love the red with the pink. Oops, too much. Too much. Oh, you know what I'm trying to do. Oh. Isn't she beautiful? This is like the perfect addition to my collection. I'm super excited. And I know I keep promising you guys a collection video, and I was gonna film it. I am gonna film it. But I took them all out to get ready to film it, and some of them just need a little bit of love, as in dry cleaning. So we'll have to wait just a tad little bit for that one to happen. But in the interim, you do get to share my joy in this little beauty. Isn't she beautiful? Oh gosh, with my red lipstick, everything. And my shirt. Oops, excuse me. It works. This is how we're running errands today. It just works. Yeah. Okay, take the tag off and we will sort that out. Oh gosh, I love it. So Thanks guys, thanks for watching this one. I think this is really going to be a great addition to my collection. Yes. So always guys, quick video, but remember, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right choice for you. Honestly, make the right choice for you.